Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Smart Wallet and me, where financial wisdom matters. Welcome back, and today I'm going to be talking about NIO and what NIO Day revealed today for us and what it means for the stock coming Monday morning. And guys, this video is for entertainment purposes only. You should do your own due diligence and your own research and come to your own conclusions. So let's get right into it. So guys, everybody was anticipating this NIO Day, and today what they did is they came up with the ET7, which we were talking about in my previous video. It kind of looked like the Tesla Model S, and it looks like that this is going to be their new luxury sedan that's going to be selling for about $84,000. And it's kind of expensive, but it is a luxury sedan. And it says that it's new all-electric sedan on Saturday on its 4th annual NIO Day. And it was quite an event with laser light and pop singers. For investors, NIO Day offered rich details on a new car, autonomous driving, pricing models, and EV batteries. So we spoke about this ET7, which kind of looks like the Tesla Model S. Enhances awesome features like soft closed doors, air filtration, and acoustic glass for quiet driving. And this is what's kind of interesting here. The car boasts a range of up to 625 miles with the most advanced battery options and 625 horsepower and air suspension, the kind of car buyers might find on a Porsche. With a 625-mile range, this means that if an average driver drives approximately 10,000 miles a year, you would only be having to recharge your battery approximately 18 times a year. Where if you're driving a gas-powered vehicle, and if you drive that same 10,000 miles a year, you're looking at probably filling up at the gas station around 30 times a year if your car gets about 300 miles per gallon. So if you compare the two vehicles with a 625-mile range and your gas-powered range, even that 18 times that you have to refill your battery, it's still more impressive than having to go to the gas station 33 times. You're almost cutting it in half. And also the power that it has, 625 horsepower, is very, very strong. It's almost like a Porsche. And like we said, it's about $84,000, so it is kind of expensive. In addition to the car, NIO also unveiled a larger capacity battery, new exchange stations with more daily capacity. NIO builds a battery exchange network. NIO, throughout its history, has strived to solve EV issues such as range anxiety and charge time by replacing the entire battery. Replacing a battery with a NIO reader is a bit like filling up a traditional car at a gas station. NIO has performed approximately 1.5 million battery permutations in its history. They were also thinking about increasing the battery stations throughout the country in China so that they can have more opportunities for people to go and fill up or replace their batteries. That's a good sign, and by 2022, when this vehicle comes out, I think it would be a very good opportunity for them to have even more range by that time whenever the battery starts to improve in their quality. But one thing that I would have to say, and I know I might get some negative feedback on this, I am not very happy with the fact that they were copying the Tesla body a little bit. It does show that they were copying the Tesla Model S on this ET7. That to me is a little bit disappointing. I hope they can come up with more original designs. By them copying the Tesla Model S, I think that it is a very negative thing for them in the long term. NIO has also revised its autonomous driving technology. NIO's autonomous driving solutions include ultra-high resolution optical cameras and radars, as well as LiDAR sensors, short for laser radar. These are technologies used by other car manufacturers. The NIO autonomous driving software and sensor suite is called Aquila. NIO's computer platform processing all of the sensor data is called Atom. NIO plans to offer autonomous driving as a subscription. It won't be coming up on every car. You would have to upgrade to it to be able to have this autonomous driving feature. This is something even Tesla hasn't tried yet, and shows how new EV makers like NIO are trying to use software-like solutions to generate recurring revenue, including with their battery swap monthly subscriptions. The autonomous driving briefing also provided additional details on the sensors regarding field of view and range. NIO sensors can see up to 500 meters on the road with a 120-degree field of view. And I also read that they're using NVIDIA semiconductors and chips to help them to create this type of range and laser technology, which is good for NVIDIA and also for other SBE stocks, and I think even plug power and maybe even SPE switchback power would benefit from this as well. NIO also talked about the batteries, but details were slim. NIO mentioned solid state batteries, the kind QuantumScape is pioneering. Maybe that's the reason why QuantumScape has been going up lately in its presentation, with new battery chemistries and anode technology. For investors, the message is that all EV companies, including NIO, are investing heavily in improving battery life, cost, and reliability. I think that this battery swap stations that they have is just a temporary solution until they can find a way to increase the quality of these batteries so that they can increase the range to maybe even 1,000 miles, whereas right now it's only 625 miles. And if they do that, they won't need these swapping stations anymore, because if you get 1,000 miles per battery charge, imagine how many times you would have to really change your battery. You can really go and charge it maybe even faster than maybe 30 minutes, and if you have that and you have more opportunities to increase the quality of the battery, that I think is the long-term solution to this problem. I also wanted to show this analysis made by Mariello on TradingView. He shares this stock chart on his page, and he shows how the ladder is going up, and it's a bullish trend. And as they say, the trend is your friend. So you want to follow this trend and see the lines. And he's predicting pretty similar to what I was saying in my previous video, that the stock should be going up to around $63.50. That's his target price by January 13, which is next Wednesday. I was thinking by Monday, Tuesday, it should be going up past $60. And then once the RSI strength goes above to overbought levels, then I'm going to start selling my shares and then wait until there's a small pullback. And when there's a small pullback going back to around the previous highs of $54.73, then I'm going to be pouring myself back into this stock again and ride it back up again to the next level of possibly going past that other resistance and up to $73.50. And he's saying it could go all the way up to March 2nd when that happens. And I kind of agree with him. That's a good indication that this price can go up to overbought territory and then come back down and then make a big purchase and then ride it back up again. That would be kind of similar to what I was saying, that I'm going to wait until this stock goes up to overbought levels, with the RSI being at 69 right now. I want to wait until it goes to overbought territory of about 80, and once it goes to about 80 and past 80, and the price will be around maybe $63, $64 by that time on Monday, Tuesday. And when that happens, I'm planning on selling some of my shares to make a profit, and I'm sure a lot of investors would be doing that as well. They would want to take some of their profits off the table and then wait until the stock goes back down and then go back in again and then ride it back up to around 70, 80, maybe even $100 before the year ends in 2021. So that's my plan, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm a small YouTuber. It won't cost you anything just to smash that like button down there. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.